Get ready for my adventure as I tackle the rear brakes on this, my busted Peugeot 308.
It's Tammy's second day in the workshop, and now the real oily work begins.
Yesterday was a hard day. The car was coming up with fault after fault after fault.
Having seen the sorry state of the near side rear disc, it's time to take off those wheels for a closer look. Getting the car up on a two-post ramp might seem like a breeze, but here's the trick. Make sure it's lifted on all four jacking points. Modern impact guns are a lifesaver for loosening those tight bolts, cranking out a whopping 1900 Newton meters of torque. There's only one production car with more force, the 1700 horsepower Koenigsegg Gemera.
Last night I did a bit of research and I have a plan now. It's obvious the car's suffered from a lack of maintenance and the braking system is crucial, so I'm going to check every bit of it.
If Tammy were just swapping brake pads, she could simply undo the bottom 12mm bolt and the caliper would swing up. But this job calls for a thorough overhaul, so off comes the upper Torx bolt. A well-placed crowbar between the carrier and the caliper helps them separate.
Looking at the state of these pads, there is no way I am getting those out. I think this one's a job for Whitworth.
Tammy needs Whitworth's expertise to remove those stubborn pads. The question is,
fancy that tonight.
Whitworth?
Can she pull him away from preparing tonight's culinary delight?
I don't think I can get these brake pads off. Can you help me, please?
I'm not surprised. That disc looks like a non-stick wok. Take one hammer, a medium-sized chisel, and beat until separated.
With the pesky pads out of the way, it's time to remove the caliper mounting bracket.
Next, the disc.
One final blow from the hammer and the disc is free from the hub.
Really heavy.
With a little help, Tammy has successfully stripped down the left side. Now it's time to tackle the right side. Will this prove to be problematic? You might be wondering if this car has a problem, especially with that near side rear brake in such poor condition. It might, but there are a few factors to consider. Has it suffered from poor maintenance? Or was being parked up during COVID a factor? Well, these factors might have played a role in its current condition. A lack of use would certainly cause surface rust to evolve into a deeper issue. And let's not forget that this is the side nearest the pavement, where water and debris tend to accumulate. However, I would hazard a guess that it's down to the design. You see, the front brakes on any car do about 85% of the braking work. So, the rear brakes don't get much of a workout to warm them up and grind away the dirt, water and rust traces that accumulate, resulting in a gradual build-up over time. Once Tammy has stripped them all out, we can compare the two rear brakes to see if we can spot the problem.
Okay, that's done. What's next? If you're enjoying my automotive adventures, please click like and subscribe and leave a comment and I'll get back to you.